Hello everyone. I have harvested, oh that's heavy, sunflowers. It's almost the end of August, so I'm taking these sunflowers. Sometimes I would make them into wreaths. I always grew them on my porch in Brooklyn. Now I'm here in Kentucky. I grew them here at my mom's, which I affectionately call the Landscapes Genesis Garden, because during this pandemic she has let me experiment, do a lot of cool things in the yard. So I was thinking about doing a wreath, and then I thought we haven't been feeding the birds much because there's so much natural stuff for them to eat. So what I'm doing is taking the stem and just leaving a pretty good piece of stem and then putting them in here. I thought that might be a good idea. We have the remnants of a hurricane coming this way according to the weather, and you know how sunflowers will get kind of flat, and then these, I'm trying to do this one-handed, but these have a small opening. I think with this one I could pull out my trusty Felcos. If you've never used Felcos, I encourage you to go out and get some, and I'm gonna just trim it off a little bit so that I can get, I think that might work actually. I could even take one half off, I think. Yeah, that should make it work. This one's kind of an odd shape, but isn't that pretty? Still got some of the little pollen bracts on there, but I don't know if they're called bracts or what. Let's see, I'm gonna, yeah, that works. Shove that down in there, and looky there. The birds have already been eating on some of these, but I just harvested some of these. I think they need to be a little bit drier. I'm gonna see if I can make this one go in. No, it needs a little bit of trimming. But you get the idea. Let me see here. This one's really round. I'm gonna try this one again. And I even like leaving the leaf on. So I think at this point in the season, see how I'm just kind of halving it up, and then I'm gonna go in here. I'm improvising, but I'm an improviser. I'm actually trained as a dancer, and one of my hallmarks when I was living in New York was improvisation. So just like in the garden, it's like a dance and you improvise. There it goes. Look how it just kind of molds itself to, and I'm gonna pull it from under and see how it just molded right in. I kind of think of the flowers like dancers. Isn't that cool? Let's see what it looks like from the front. I think I could move this one over and get one more in. I don't know if this big one will, yeah, it might fit in there. What do you think, guys? Or should I try this one? I'm gonna try the big one. Yeah, maybe I'll do this one. Yeah, let's see. Can you see there? Sorry about my camera work. Here we go. I'm doing this one-handed. I'm gonna just give it a little, take the trusty Felcos. If you've never owned Felcos, I recommend them, one of my favorite tools. Just give it a little trim. And let's see if I can make that go down in there. Oh, it's getting kind of heavy. I don't want to break my, I think actually the stem could be shorter. Also, I try not to get too attached to one idea, like, okay, well, that one didn't go easy. Let's see about if this one will fit. Maybe this one's speaking to us to fit in there. Just give it a little trim up here. See if it'll fit. Again, I'm one-handed, so it's not as easy if I had using two hands. Let me just, there we go. I'm gonna try and get it from underneath if we can see that. Sorry for the camera work. I'm determined now to get this one in there. I'm gonna switch hands. There we go. Is that one gonna fit? There it goes. So I'm gonna fix that a little bit, but it's in there for now. Isn't that kind of a cute idea? So it goes around like that. You can see Mom's in there reading the paper, her morning ritual. But there we have it. Now we have lots of cardinals, and they like the sunflowers, so hopefully they'll come and have a little feast. Okay, everyone, peace out. This is Mark Lamb with Lambscapes, gardens that tell a story.